You do not, absolutely do not want to go and plaster I got a car for sale, yay, I'll just put my car on Facebook. Yeah, you don't want to put anything like that on social media, and that's where everybody goes. You want to be specific. You want to look at this as though it's a job interview, not a customer interview. Hello everybody, it's Steve again. How do you know if you got the right butt in the right seat?
Hawks are large, strong birds.
That's definitely not the right butt for the right seat. What do I mean by that? You want to go and pick out the 5 most popular industries right now that would be susceptible to your vehicle purchase. For example, you don't want to put somebody who's making 30 bucks an hour in there. That's not right. Your car is going to be about a $15,000 to $18,000 car with a car payment of around $300 to $350. That's going to be a worker that's making between $15 and $18 an hour. So where do you find that person? This is how we do it. We call up John's Security Service. Security is huge right now. Walk into any retail store or any strip mall or any place out there in the outer parts of America. What do you see? You see security guards everywhere. They can't find enough of them. So these guys need to get to work. How do they get to work? They get a car. What do they make in an hour? About 18 bucks an hour. Well, then there you go. That is where you're going to find your perfect customer. So you call the security company. Hey, Fred, this is Steve. I finance cars in a very small way, but I'm looking for some particular people that perhaps you could trust or recommend to me that need a car, that happen to work for you, that are looking for a reliable car. Would you know of any?
Well, yeah, I've got 2 right now that need cars, I know.
Great. So what you get here is you get the verification of employment. Yeah, they're already working. You don't have to get a verification of employment. You're calling where they work. Their boss is not going to recommend to you some dud. They want to make sure their best guy gets to work on time. How do they do that? They listen to you.
What do you got, Steve?
A reliable car for one of your guys to get to work. It's the perfect match. So what you do is you call one of these companies. Medical has several too. We don't want to leave any of them out. The caregivers are huge right now. Nursing homes, assisted living facilities. You call the manager on duty or you call the HR department and you tell them your situation. I finance cars to the people that work for you. And let me tell you the beautiful, best part of this whole thing. Once you get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 into one of these groups here and you actually provide transportation to one of them, they'll be calling you.
Hey, Steve, this is Fred. Remember me? You put George in one of our cars a couple months ago.
Yeah, I remember you, Fred. Check it out. Fred's now calling you. He's got 2 or 3 other people that need a car, just like you sold his first guy. Can you imagine the non-stop pivotal role of never ever having to go and advertise for a customer ever again? You've got a built-in apparatus that provides that for you on a daily basis. I still get calls from 5 years ago.
Hey, Steve, I got transferred over here, but I've still got somebody looking for a car.
It is the best connection between you and the customer that you'll ever find. It's a perfect matchup. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because next what I'm going to show you in the comment section is a link that's going to say customer interview. That's going to be a script that I personally made myself. When you contact that MOD, manager on duty, or the actual HR director and explain your situation, you'll be getting calls back from them. As I said, it's the best hookup. So much better than any social media platform you'll ever see. I find this strategy with my script to work about 80% of the time. In recap, you now have got the car, you got the perfect customer, then what? What does the customer need to bring to show you that they're a valid candidate for your car? The next video up here that I'm going to show you, if for some reason they got a boyfriend or a girlfriend, yeah, and they ran to Texas, then what are you going to do? Well, we got that one covered too. You're going to get the pay stub, you're going to get the credit report, and you're going to get references. That's all you're going to need. Everything about this whole plan is covered. The next thing you know, you're getting your checks on the 15th of the month.